Much better than the expensive pizza. It is made with ingredients you have at home. It is quick and easy. Let's start our recipe by adding a little olive oil to a frying pan. Then, we will add a grated carrot. Next, we will add a chopped tomato. Also add half a chopped red pepper and half a chopped yellow pepper. Add green onions to taste. Once done, mix everything very well until sautéed. And if you like easy recipes like this, click the like button and comment below. I love easy recipes. Done, set aside. Now, in another container, we will add 3 eggs. We will season with half a spoon of salt and half a spoon of black pepper to taste. Mix everything very well. After watching this recipe, you will not pay more for pizza. This recipe has become the favorite here at home. Now we will add 200 grams of milk. Mix lightly, and then we will add 200 grams of wheat flour. Then add a little olive oil. Once done, mix everything very well until you get a smooth and homogeneous dough. And that's the point. Now, let's add a spoonful of baking powder. Mix everything very well again until the yeast is incorporated into the dough. Now, let's add 2 grated potatoes. Then, mix everything very well. Once this is done, add the vegetable stew that we prepared, and mix everything very well again. If you are enjoying our recipes, leave a comment below about the city or country you are watching us from. I want to send you a big hug, and thank you for sharing this recipe. Then, transfer everything to a pizza pan lined with parchment paper and greased with margarine. Then, spread everything very well and then bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 30 minutes. After this time, remove from the oven and add 200 grams of grated cheese on top. Finish by sprinkling oregano on top. Then bake again until the cheese melts. And our recipe is ready. Look how incredible it turned out. Wonderful! This pizza will make your whole family's mouth water. It's healthy and delicious. And if you got this far, leave a rating from 0 to 10. What rating would you give this recipe? I really hope you liked it. Now all you have to do is take a piece and serve it. I'll leave it here. A big hug, and until the next recipe.